Okay. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Attorney Rookwood, and yes, I am a lawyer, but I am not your lawyer until you hire me. So with that being said, what I'm about to say and everything that I say on this channel is not to be taken as legal advice and is merely general information. You should always consult with an attorney in your jurisdiction about the specific facts of your case and to get legal advice if that's what you're looking for. And if you like what I have to say and you want to speak with me, feel free to give my office a call and let's schedule a consultation to go over the facts of your case. Okay, so let's get started. Now, when I started this channel, or when I decided to start this channel, what I had in mind was to basically use it as a platform to share information. A lot of people have different questions about different subject matters in the fields that I practice. And I practice, if you don't already know, family law, criminal defense, and immigration. So I'll give you a little bit of background into who I am and my qualifications, okay? So, just a brief, if you have already read my bio, I think it's called, you would have known that I graduated from the University of Miami, went on to receive my JD from the University of Florida, and then later on, after practicing law for a while, decided to go to Europe to pursue my Master's of Law in European and International Human Rights. One of the reasons why I decided to pursue my LLM in human rights was because of what was happening in 2020. And actually, even before that, I wanted to I think maybe what really inspired me was the mass protests worldwide that we saw in 2020. But even before that, because I really love to travel and any opportunity I get to travel, I take it. And I never got the chance to study abroad while I was doing my undergrad because I was being a mom and a wife. So I finally had the opportunity to go abroad to study, and so I jumped on it. And I wanted it to be something productive, to add to my profession, at least to help me become a better advocate. So I really wanted to understand human rights, international human rights law, especially the obligation of the U.S. regarding its citizens. And I've learned a lot. And so now I intend to use what I've learned to be a better advocate for my clients and to use that knowledge, to put that knowledge to good use. So with that being said, my goal is to take the opportunity to answer frequently asked questions in family law, criminal procedure, because I can only really talk about criminal procedure, not necessarily about specific facts per se. So most of the questions that you will have for criminal law will be about procedure, I think. So I'll answer questions, frequently asked questions about that, encounters with the police, things that you might face during trial, maybe get into the minds of prosecutors, since I am a former prosecutor, so I can give some insight with that. And, just share some information that I think might be useful and helpful to you from day to day, but also if you're looking for an attorney or you come across some of these issues, you might know what kind of questions to ask or have an idea when you go in to meet with an attorney. Or you can, give me a call. As far as family law, I'm going to talk about that one I can talk about more substantive things in terms of rights that you might have. Not so much procedure, but rights, but more substantive things. So criminal law, I will talk, of course, with criminal law, I'll talk to you about your constitutional rights, right? And I'll talk to you about procedure. And with family law, you also have constitutional rights in family law. People might not realize that, but you do. Parental rights. Children also have rights. So we're going to talk about your civil rights and civil liberties in a most general context as possible to avoid giving legal advice, because that's not my intention. So we're just going to talk about those things. And then, you know, I'll try to have maybe once a month do a live session where you can come and ask your questions and I can answer your questions live. And so that's my goal for this channel. So I hope that you enjoy coming on this journey with me. I'm very excited to be here, to finally join the YouTube family and to share my knowledge and my perspective, and you know, for you guys to get to know me and for me to get to know you as well. So with that being said, just remember, I am located in New York, so the advice that, well, not the advice, the information that I give is going to be mainly applicable to New Yorkers. There's some things that are general across the board, right? Your constitutional law in general, your federal constitutional law when it comes to criminal procedure and stuff like that. But most of the things that I'm going to be talking about are going to be applicable to New York residents. And then I'm also licensed in New Jersey. So of course, if you have a case in New Jersey and you're looking for an attorney and you like me or you want to consult with me, you can give my office a call as well, and we can discuss the facts of your case as well. So just with that being said, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and I'm really excited to be on this journey with you guys. I look forward to chit-chatting with you and answering all your questions. All right? Talk to you later.